Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Minka Aire fan remote not working. To fix this issue, first you have to ensure that the battery in the remote control are fresh and properly installed. Sometimes weak or incorrectly placed battery can prevent the remote from functioning. After that, you have to look for any visual sign of damage on your remote. After that, you have to clean the remote control with a dry cloth to remove any dirt or debris that might be affecting its operation. After that, you have to try resetting the remote control by removing the battery, pressing all the buttons to discharge any residual battery power, reinserting the battery after a few minutes. This can sometimes reset the remote's functionality. Make sure that the remote control is set to the correct mode. Some remote have multiple settings for different fan speed or light controls. Hopefully this video will help you to fix your issue. Thanks for watching.